Good evening. Category 2 Tropical Cyclone Winston moved across southern Laos last night and is now heading northeast towards central Tonga. Currently, Tropical Cyclone Winston lies about 400 kilometers east of Lakemba, Laos, or about 90 kilometers north of Vava'u, Tonga, and is moving northeast at around 25 kilometers per hour. With the cyclone moving away, weather is improving over Fiji, at least temporarily. All warnings for Fiji are now cancelled except for a strong wind warning for coastal waters over Laos and the Koro Sea. The cloud signature of Cyclone Winston is clearly evident east of Fiji. Over the course of today, we have seen the extent of the convection both increase and tighten around the core, indicating that the cyclone is probably intensifying again now that it is moving over warmer ocean waters. The wind chart shows the circulation of Tropical Cyclone Winston east of Fiji, directing southerly winds up over Fiji now. Winds over Fiji will tend more southeasterly as the cyclone moves northeast away from Fiji, and weather is expected to stay mostly settled for the next few days. Tropical Cyclone Winston is expected to pass north of Vava'u in Tonga tonight and continue eastwards for a while tomorrow before slowing down and becoming stationary over waters between Tonga and Niue. It is likely that the cyclone will turn back towards Fiji later on Thursday, however the timing of this remains very uncertain. Fine, warm and mostly sunny tomorrow over the west with moderate to fresh southeast winds and local sea breezes. No rain expected tomorrow apart from an isolated shower or two inland on the hills. For the Northern Division, isolated showers about the south coast of Vanua Levu and Taveuni, fine, dry and sunny on the north coast, moderate to fresh southeast winds and local sea breezes. Warm and humid across the central and eastern divisions tomorrow with a mix of sun and clouds, one or two showers about the Maritime Islands region but staying fine elsewhere, moderate to fresh south to southeast winds. South to southeasterly winds will be fresh at times on coastal waters around the east. Local sea breezes will return tomorrow about the west and the north. With Tropical Cyclone Winston now moving away, we can expect improving weather now for a few days at least. There is a high risk that Tropical Cyclone Winston will recurve back to the west later in the week, although it is not yet clear when this will start to happen and how far westwards it will come before turning south and heading away from our region for good. There is probably a 50-50 chance that the cyclone may even return far enough west that it moves back over Fiji once again near the Lau Islands. So despite the fact that the cyclone has passed Fiji, we do need to stay alert to the risk of the cyclone returning later in the week, even though the immediate future is for improving weather and some sunshine as clouds and showers clear temporarily. You can keep up to date through our various subscription services. Details of how to subscribe for mobile weather updates via text message for Vodafone and Ink users are on our Facebook page or on our website at NaDraki.com. Please do check in tomorrow evening for more local weather information. From the MyTV team and NaDraki, we wish you a pleasant evening.